Daddy.
Yes, where will we go, Ru?
We'll go somewhere.
Wait. Not too fast, you're scaring me when you're so fast.
No, I will so fast.
Wait. Wait, Ru.
Oh, there's a dragon guy. There's a dragon.
Fast.
Oh
my God. Wait. Wait first. We will let the people pass first. We'll let the people pass. Wait. Wait lang. We'll let them pass first. Just get ready first. Wait.
Daddy, look at the whole town. But what happens when you go all the way down?
I don't know, Ru.
I said, don't know.
Wait.
And I see that.
Just wait.
You go all the way.
Okay, let's go. Go. Nice, Ru. Natatakot din ako sa kanya.
Hindi ka pwedeng maging driver. Tawag ka pa sa tatay mo.
Siya ito, titos. Let's go. Come here. Well, yeah. Hey, Jomar. Wait. Okay, go back. That's too steep. Go back here. Go there. No more there. Go. Fast. Wait, Ru. We'll stay with Tito Jomar. Come here. Lalabas ka? Ay.